Hi everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on how to create and configure Syncfusion Angular DateRangePicker using the Angular CLI tool and Syncfusion EJ2 Angular Calendars package. The Angular DateRangePicker is a lightweight and mobile-friendly component that allows end users to select start and end dates as a range from a calendar pop-up or by entering values directly in the HTML input text box. I will show you how to configure a few of its basic features, like setting start and end date range, format, range restriction, day span, and month range picker. Let me show you the application creation process. First, I create my application using the Angular CLI command. I use VS Code as the editor and show the output in the Chrome browser. In the command prompt, first I install the CLI tool globally using the command npm install global Angular CLI. Then I create a new Angular project using the ng-new command and provide the app name, my Angular project. I navigate to the desired location and install the DateRangePicker package using the command ng-add Syncfusion EJ2 Angular Calendars. Now, I open the project in VS Code. To start using the DateRangePicker component, navigate to the app module page and import the DateRangePicker module from the Syncfusion EJ2 Angular Calendars package and register it in the imports array of the ng module. After that, I import the material theme styles to the style.css file to apply styles to the DateRangePicker. Next, I need to register the Syncfusion license key. Open the main TypeScript file and import the register license method from the Syncfusion EJ2 base package. Using this method, register the Angular trial license. From the 2022 Volume 1 release, the license key is mandatory in Angular projects to avoid license warnings. In the app.component.html file, replace the default code snippets with Angular DateRangePicker using the EJS DateRangePicker tag. Then assign the styles for this wrapper element. I then run this project using the command ng-serve. As you can see, the output displays the DateRangePicker, and I can select any range from its pop-up or enter values in the input text box. I can also show a short hint in the input element when no value is selected. I set the placeholder property and assign the value selected date range. See here, the specified hint is now shown in the input element. Next, I will show you how to select a specific date range so that the DateRangePicker pop-up highlights that range on initial load. Dates can be specified using the start date and end date properties. Within the app component class, I define a variable, start date value of the date type, and assign a value to it. Define another variable, end date value, and assign a value to it. I then assign these variables to the start date and end date properties. Check now, the specified date range is shown on the DateRangePicker input and selected on calendar pop-up. Now, let me show you how to restrict the date selection within a specified range by defining the min and max properties. Within the app component class, I declare a variable, min date of the date type, and set a start date. Similarly, I define another variable, max date, and set it as the end date. Then, I assign these values to the corresponding min and max properties. Check now, I cannot select the dates that are beyond the specified min and max date range. I can also restrict the user from selecting the minimum and a maximum number of days in the range by defining the min days and max days properties. Within the app component class, I declare the variable min day value of the number type and set a value. Similarly, I define another variable and set it as the maximum value. Next, I assign these values to the corresponding min days and max days properties. Checking out the control now, I can select a minimum of 5 days and a maximum of 10 days. Let me show you how to apply a custom format to the date shown in the DateRangePicker. I add the format property and set its value to a custom format, example, dd, YY. See now, the specified format is applied to the selected date. Finally, I will show you how to design the month range picker to select a month using the start and depth properties. Here, I'll add the start property and set its value to year. Then I add the depth property and set its value to year. Comment out the max and max days properties to allow selecting months starting from June 2022. Now, the DateRangePicker shows the list of months in a year, and you can select any month starting from June 2022. This shows how easily you can define the features of the Angular DateRangePicker using its simple built-in APIs. In this video, I have shown you how to create and configure the Syncfusion Angular DateRangePicker component using the Angular CLI command and a few of its basic features. You can download a working example from the GitHub link in the description for this video below. You can also see if you're eligible for our community license, which will get you a free license key to use our products. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel.